Here the question is, analysis shows that iron oxide has a non-stoichiometric composition with a formula iron 0.95 oxygen. We need to provide the reason for the statement. Iron oxide particularly forms ferrous oxide which exhibit a non-stoichiometric composition. This is because of the presence of defects in its crystal structure. The deviation from the ideal ratio of iron to oxygen occurs due to metal deficiency defect. Some of the iron atoms in iron oxide can exist as Fe3 plus ion instead of Fe2 plus ion. To maintain the electrical neutrality, when Fe2 plus is replaced by Fe3 plus, fewer iron atoms are present in the lattice and it creates iron vacancies. Another reason is oxygen excess. The crystal structure compensates for the absence of some Fe2 plus ions by allowing more oxygen atoms than the required by the stoichiometric formula. This results in a variable iron oxide ratio that is less than 1:1. Thus, the non-stoichiometric nature of iron oxide arises from the flexible rotation states of iron and the formation of vacancies in the crystal lattice.